This is an anime. I haven't tried anime art in my entire life, so today I will try to draw anime for the first time. So let's get started.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
So first of all, I will start off with rough sketch. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe. We are done with sketching, now let's go for inking. I will try to draw smooth lines possible.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home.
Without boarding pass, couldn't catch me, I'd be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar, wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge.
But before starting coloring, I dare you guys to leave a like, because I know you are still watching, so leave a like. Alright, for coloring I'm using water-based markers and alcohol-based markers.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
With that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and enjoy the review. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.
Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.